Channel, I figured I would take you guys along with me as I build this clear acrylic window for my boy Ron J.L. White for his box. Rode through together like a little chicken scratch on some paper. His dimensions were actually really nice. It helped me a lot transferring it over to CAD, redrawing it. Alright, so he basically sent me this right here. I went ahead and turned it into this. And all I got left to do is cut it out. Now, I got everything all worked out. I'm getting ready to cut it. So, check this out. I can't wait to see how this thing's gonna look. Oh yeah, by the way, it's gonna have a built-in SMD Terminal X1. Something I haven't done yet, but I'm pretty sure I can knock it out. Wire nose set now, good to go. Now I can just go in here and run this. RJL1. Let's see what's good to go. Oh shoot, that's gonna look dope. Well, I just hope this all works. I gotta drop the dust head real quick. Well, this is what he asked for. I hope he likes it. And I hope I get it right the first time. So these are the 1/4-inch holes that will go around the edge. I'm gonna flip it over. Hopefully this is gonna line up on the other side. Good. Perfect. One more little operation. A spot for the rear landings, and this thing should be done. I think it's done. I think that's it. Hey, I don't care what anybody says. I'm peeling the paper off this. We'll put some new plastic on it before we send it out. I gotta see what this looks like. Plus, we gotta build it too. Hey, Brandon, you ain't ready for this. That much tape. I was only doing that, but went a little overboard. Look at that. Look at it. You see it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I did. Let's feel it real quick. Oh, where's my little trick?
What, do you want the little silly one?
No, I want that right there. Give me that thing. Build this. Hey, we've never built a terminal cup like this before, have we? You ain't ready for this, Brando.
center bar is restricted social distancing. Keep clear as you go.
Is it air gun?
That's just landing on it left and right. Like, yeah, good. Hey KK, why don't you laser me up a red trim piece with black lettering for this thing? We'll drop it in and I'll have Brando build it. Hey, Brando. Copper terminal X1. There you go, man. You know what? Let's lay something soft down so we don't scrap it.
Enough? No, one more. Long ways?
There you go. It's all yours. Had to turn that U2 shit off, man. It's about to get me busted. Copyright. Yeah. Oh shit, cousin Chris is in the house. What up, man? That's what I mean. I apologize. Apologize. Where's my apology? Huh? Paul? Don't give me that dirty look. You want pizza?
This is about to be a Doug Bernard and Rafa thing real quick here in a second.
Bullshit. Get that shit done. He's sick. Much better. Forgot we didn't need them holes on the last one. And in case you haven't figured it out, this is pretty much what he's getting, but it's going to be built in. Let's see it. See the other side? Something like this. So basically it's going to be built into the panel, clear, with a little red trim piece. And we'll have a little cover for it just like that. So there you have it. He's sick. Something about ready to pop in there yet or what? The red one?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck ever getting that out of there. Let's see the other side. And that right there, that's how bosses cut acrylic panels.
Done deal.
Ron JL White. Hope you love it. It's on its way today. Put some protective stuff on it and get it out of here. It's a little dirty. It's all right, as long as there's nothing permanent, it can be cleaned off later. Sure, you won't mind a piece of dust. Poke it through. It's okay. There you go. Here, see if this thing fits. Very nice. That's gonna be perfect. All right, this is gonna be shipping out real soon. Make sure you check it out over on Ron's Instagram channel. I'll put the link up right below me right here. And as soon as he gets it put in, I'm gonna have him send me some pictures because I wanna see it. And you can check it out on my Instagram channel, which is also right here at the bottom. So that was fun. This thing's gonna look good. I can't wait. And I'll see you guys then. Later.